Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how to get the iPadOS 14 version. As you can see here, software version 14.0. It's of course the beta. I have it on my iPad Pro 12.9 third generation 2018. Of course it works with a lot of different iPads. It's compatible from the iPad Air 2 all the way to the iPad 2020. I'll put a list of all the iPads that are compatible with this software version. So let's get started. Go to Safari or any browser. Go to betaprofiles.com. I'll put the link in the description. Scroll a little bit down. iPadOS 14 download. Hit download. Download anyways. Again, and then you will see this message. Press on allow, close. Here are the steps on how to install it. It's pretty simple. Go to settings, you'll find profile downloaded, hit install, then enter your password, then press on install profile. Now here it will ask you to restart your device. I'm not gonna do that since I already have the software version. So after you restart your device and when it's done, go to general, go to software update, and then you will find here iPadOS 14 beta. You just have to click on it and install it. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi. And that was it. Hit the like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video. Bye.